Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro and the AirPods, and I will show you how we can connect this to the device. So at first we have to open notification bar, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, we have to grab our AirPods, open the charging case, and next we have to move them into the pairing mode. We have to use this button on the back of the charging case. So we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on white color. So click and hold. Right now we can release that key and turn on Bluetooth on our K30 Pro by tapping on the switcher. And right now we are waiting to get our AirPods on the available devices list, and here they are. So we can simply tap to connect. Let's click another time, and as you can see right now we are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!